everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to go ahead and open up this advent calendar from Charlotte Tilbury. So this is the first year I've ever bought one of these, and you guys know that Charlotte Tilbury is my favorite brand. There's probably going to be a lot of products in here that I already have. If there are products in here that I don't have, I will keep them. And anything that I get in here that I already have, I will just give to my mom for Christmas. So it's kind of a win-win. There's a lot of products in here, and I paid $200 US on the Charlotte Tilbury website. So I figured what we would do is open them all up, show you guys what they are, and then add it all up and let you guys know at the end how much this is actually worth. But it comes in such a beautiful little box here, and I think my mom would love it to put like her jewelry in and stuff. The products I decide to keep and want, I will put something else in there for my mom. It's no, you know, it'd be fun for Christmas for her. It did come in this really pretty box, so I really like the box. I think the box is pretty. Let's go ahead and get started, you guys. I am kind of excited about it. So let's go ahead and open up this first little drawer right here. So the first thing we have here is a beauty light wand, and this is actually in the shade Spotlight. I actually have one of these, so I will give this to my mom. It's kind of like a white pink shimmer. Look how beautiful this is, though. It's one of my favorites. I love this shimmer. This has been one of my all-time favorites. And it's kind of like a light champagne gold with a hint of pink. And I love to just kind of stick it over top, or, you know, I will wear this alone as a highlighter. I think it's so pretty. One of my favorite shades, so I am not mad at that. I'm almost out of this, but I'll give the full one to my mom. She will love this. Now, let's open up this little drawer right here. Oh, okay. So this is a, ooh, I don't have one of these. This is called the color Chameleon, and this is in the shade Copper Lights. This is just a stick shimmer. Look how beautiful that is. So pretty. I think I'm actually going to give this to my mom. She won't care that I swatched it. So I think I'm going to give this to my mom because I have the Eyes to Mesmerize in the shade Golden Eclipse, and it's kind of similar to that, maybe a little bit lighter. I also have Star Gold. So let's see what these look like next to. You guys know I love her Eyes to Mesmerize. They're some of my favorites. So these are the Eyes to Mesmerize, and it looks like Star Gold right here is the same shade as this Copper Lights. So I will give this to my mom. She will love it. Now let's go into this little drawer right here. Ooh, okay, so I don't have this. This is called the Rockin' Kohl. It is a iconic liquid eye pencil. This is in the shade Barbarella Brown. So it's just a kohl eye pencil, and I think I'll keep this because I actually do like her eye pencils. I think they're great. I like her kohl pencils. So I'm going to go ahead and keep this one. So now let's go into this drawer right here. This is a lip cheat in the shade Pillow Talk. So this is the lip cheat. It's a smaller one, and so is the kohl pencil. So it's the smaller, and this is in the shade Pillow Talk. And I already have this shade, so I'll show you what it looks like. That is what Pillow Talk looks like. I am going to give this to my mom because I already have one. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab from this drawer. All right, so this is her clay mask, and I already have one of these, and I actually really like her clay mask. So this is supposed to visibly lift, smooth, brighten, and tighten pores for baby skin. So I'm going to go ahead and gift this to my mom. Next, we have this little teeny drawer right here. So this is her, again, smaller size of the Charlotte Magic Serum, the Crystal Elixir. And this broke me out. Bad, like really bad. One of my friends here on YouTube, you guys have heard of Glam Girl Chelsea. I love Chelsea. She's such a sweetheart. But I was watching one of her videos, and she was saying how much she absolutely loved this elixir. So it broke me out. So I tried this 3 times, and every time I used it, about 3 days after I started using it, I started breaking out. So I had to discontinue using it. But I reached out to Chelsea and was like, hey, I have a brand new bottle of this magic serum. Do you want it? And she was like, oh my gosh, yes. So I sent this to her. So she has mine. But so I'm going to give this to my mom, and hopefully it doesn't break her out. But I'm kind of bummed about the deluxe size samples. Like, all right, let's move on down to this little drawer right here. So this is the Wander Glow Instant Focus Beauty Glow Primer. I have like 3 of these, but this is a primer. I haven't really enjoyed this primer that much. It seems like anytime I would apply this primer, and then when I would go over top of it with foundation, I don't know if it was because I needed to let it dry longer or not let it dry. I don't know, but it was like, I didn't love the way that it looked on my skin. I love the Hollywood Falls filter. It's one of my all-time favorite products. I've always raved about it and it's still fantastic. But the Wonder Glow hasn't really worked for me. So I'm going to gift this to my mom and maybe she might be able to make it work. We'll see if my mom likes it. Let's go into this bigger drawer right down here. This is a travel size of the Push Up Pillow Talk mascara. So I have the larger size. You know, I've liked this mascara. I think it's a pretty decent mascara. So I think my mom will really enjoy this. So I am going to wrap that back up and stick that down in there for her. All right, let's go into this drawer. So this is a lipstick in the shade Pillow Talk. So I already have the shade Pillow Talk right here. I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. Pillow Talk is a beautiful, beautiful nude, and I think my mom will really, really love this. Now remember, I bought this for my mom. This I did not buy for me. I bought this for my mom, but I thought it would be fun to kind of unbox it and open it for you guys on camera, but I did buy this for my mom for Christmas. Good thing she doesn't watch all my videos. She won't know. She won't know any better. So let's grab this little drawer. Okay, so this is called her Supermodel Body Shape and Hydrate Glow. Is this a lotion? Cheat your way to a supermodel body in a tube. Your dream body shortcut without the workout using my celebrity limb highlighting trick for an all-over sculpting shimmer. I'm not sure how I feel about that. Like, you can't cheat the gym, y'all. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty. I mean, it's just got some, it's just a lotion with a shimmer in it. It's not going to sculpt your body, you guys. It smells good, but it's not going to sculpt your body. It's not going to. Just saying. Oh, Charlotte. Oh, Lordy. Okay. Well, let's move on to the bottom first little drawer, which is right here. Okay, so this is her Magic Cream, which I really like her Magic Cream. This is the 15 milliliter in the Magic Cream, and it is one of my favorites. I have really been enjoying it, wearing it underneath foundation. I feel like my foundation blends beautifully over top of it, and I'm kind of becoming a huge fan of the Magic Cream because of that. So yeah, I'm gonna gift this one to my mom because I just ordered a large jar of it, so I will give this one to my mom. But it is a great cream for those of you that are curious. It's expensive. It's very, okay, let's just say this. It's very expensive, but it is a nice cream. Now, have I noticed that it like makes my wrinkles better? Well, no, because well, number one, I get Botox, and number two, I just don't really believe in that kind of stuff. I feel like if you're taking good care of your skin, you're gonna, like, your wrinkles are gonna look better, but I don't think any cream is magic, if that makes sense. That's just me. Right, let's open up this final bottom drawer right here. Oh, it leaked on the paper. Oh. Half the bottle is leaked. Okay, so this just happened, you guys. So this wasn't screwed on tight, and so it leaked all the way down into this. So, okay, so it kind of made a mess of this drawer, which really stinks. I'm trying to kind of clean it out. Maybe I can let it air out before like Christmas time. All right, so this is what it looks like after I kind of got it cleaned out. And I lost half of the fluid in here, which really stinks. Okay. So let me say this. This is her AIRBRUSH Flawless Finishing Setting Spray, and I really, really like this setting spray. I have a full bottle of it, and I think I'll just fill it up for my mom. I'll use what's in mine and fill my mom's up. I pretty much use this every day, unless I want more of like a powdery finish, and then I grab the Hourglass one. But those are pretty much the two that I've been using the most out of the setting sprays that I have. Okay, now one thing that was not in this, but came in the box when I received it, is this. This is the new, I don't know if it's exclusive. I really couldn't find it on the website. So it might just be an exclusive thing that you get for free when you order this. This is the Superstar Lips in that formula. And this is in the shade Pillow Talk Diamonds. So it's kind of hard to see. It's kind of just a clear. So that's what it looks like. It's kind of just clear, to be honest. Let me wipe off my lip and see what it will look like. I'm going to go ahead and put this on. Oh, it's pretty. That's pretty. So much prettier on than it is swatched. Like when you swatch it, you're like, huh, but then this hand's shiny from that stupid supermodel body stuff. Let me do it on this side. Look how pretty that is. I mean, that's really pretty. And it looks really pretty on my lips. Dang. Okay. So like I said, it wasn't down inside this, but it came in the box when I ordered it. So I have added everything up, and this is a rough estimate because you guys, the kohl pencil and the lip cheat pencil, the lip liner, those are like the smaller sizes. It's hard to know the ratio. So I just basically did it in half. So I took the price of the kohl pencil and the price of the lip cheat pencil, the original size, and I just did it in half. This is the full Pillow Talk, like this is the full size, and I've probably sharpened it 3 or 4 times. So I do feel like, let's take the lids off. I do feel like this is probably half. I don't know. Maybe not half. Maybe it's more than half. It's hard to say. So, you know, I did it in half. It is what it is. So I did all the math, and everything that I got in this, including the Superstar Lip in the Pillow Talk Diamonds, it totaled out to be $303.25. So this is a pretty good deal for those of you that don't have a lot of Charlotte Tilbury in your collection. Maybe you're new to the Charlotte Tilbury brand and you're interested in a few of the products. This is not a bad deal. This is going to make a great Christmas gift for my mom. And in fact, I think for the things that I took out, I'm thinking about getting her this big palette to go with it, this new Bejeweled palette. I think she will absolutely love this. I think this is a beautiful gift, and I think she'll enjoy it. For the part that I took out, which was the kohl pencil, I'm going to go ahead and include a Charlotte Darling palette. I'll buy her a new one and stick it right inside there, and it fits perfectly. So I think she'll really enjoy it for Christmas, and, you know, it was fun to buy it for her for Christmas and also open it here on camera and show you guys what's inside in case you guys were interested. Fun little deal. So that's it for my unboxing of this Bejeweled chest of beauty treasures, and it was really fun to unbox it. And these are actually quite well made. I was kind of surprised that they're as well made as they are. And you know, my mom will be able to put jewelry in this, and also this thing opens so you can put stuff right up here at the top, which is really, really fun. And you know, it was really fun. I like this. This is really pretty. You know, for those of you that have a lot of Charlotte Tilbury in your collection, like I do, you might have everything that's in here. So it just depends on what you have. So this was a super fun unboxing, just something fun and random. I just wanted to share with you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you guys liked the video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me in today's video. I hope you guys all have a wonderful, wonderful day. And I will see you guys all in my next video. Love you. Bye.